As a part of IBM Hackathon, we are team BIETians 2.0 from BIET Hyderabad. We have decided to develop a viable solution for community cooperation. There is no existing online system to distribute the services of doctors to the needy patients. In lockdown period, identifying the epidemic and non-epidemic disease and providing the services to needy patient is difficult. The moment of patient increases the probability of disease spreading like COVID. So, distribution of doctor services to the needy person is crucial. So, we have decided to develop an IBM based doctor to door system. In the existing system, the patient needs to visit the doctor personally, which increases the probability of a spread. The patient and doctor both have to travel at various locations, which increases the probability of a disease spread. That's why nowadays various doctors are also infected by the disease. So, by taking into this problem, we have implemented a solution by using IBM Watson Assistant. Here, as shown in the architecture, request collector units are proposed, which are nothing but the mobile phones. The request from a patient will come from the mobile phone. It will be collected by the Watson Assistant through the cloud, and there is one cluster and doctor allocation unit which will be distributed centrally. As per the request, a cluster will be identified. Cluster will identify the GPS location and address of the patient, and according to the requirement of the patient, according to his disease, the doctors are allocated. In existing system, there is no real-time system which provides this kind of services in one click. We are going to use the IBM cloud services to implement the solution. Thank you.